Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. As the holy month of Ramadan is going on and Eid is just a few days away, I thought of making a card for Eid. Here I am going to use just black pen and pencil, and you can see how beautiful our Eid card is going to look like. For this I have taken a piece of chart paper which I have folded into half. Then using a circular lid, I have drawn a moon. Then I am making a mosque here. And adding some final touches. Finally, I am writing Eid Mubarak on top. You can see how beautiful our Eid card is now looking. You can write whatever message you want inside the card and gift it to your family and friends this year. So I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Wishing you all a very happy and enjoyable Eid. Thanks for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.